Special thanks to all who participated in our inaugural Read Black Books Conference, featuring our writer-in-residence, B. Sharice Moore. Last week, we presented 8 virtual read-alouds by Black authors, mostly based in the Washington, D.C. area. They presented their children's books during a morning preface to our week-long workshop with B. Sharice Moore. B. Sharice presented a 4-day virtual workshop on connecting books to learning activities, and then on Friday joined her workshop participants in person to share an exhibit of projects by students. Participants engaged in a book tasting activity, and local authors David Miller and Lori Nelson joined the in-person gathering to share their books and engage in discussion on how to uplift literacy in the community. Thank you to our partner, Sankofa Video and Books Cafe in Washington, D.C. for providing space for our in-person meeting. We look forward to bringing you Read Black Books next year.